Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the second update for the Roulette Pan Collab round 6. This is the second round that I have personally participated in. This project was created by Rebecca Morgan and Alexi, and there are so many people doing this project. Definitely check out the playlist if this sounds interesting to you and find a whole bunch of new people to watch. In this project there are 50 product categories, like little prompts. You randomize 6 numbers and then choose products to work on based on the prompts that you received. Sorry if I'm looking a little rough. My makeup has been on all day and it's, you can't even really see that, it's 9:50 p.m. I got the kids to bed quite a while ago now, and then I was just scrolling. I got lost in the scroll when I knew I needed to film this video. So let's get into my progress on the 6 products that I'm working on. So for a product that I would recommend, I chose the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. Not only is this one of my oldest lip glosses in my collection, so I really wanted to start working on this, but this lip gloss formula is just really great. It's an OG favorite for a reason. It's a thicker, more opaque, like cream type of gloss. It can be a little sticky, but definitely not the worst I've ever tried, and NYX is drugstore prices. So if you wait a week or two and check the flyers and all of that, you can definitely find this product on sale, so don't pay full price for it either. I'm really enjoying working on this. I have used it 9 more times since the last update, and with lip products I just count the use when I'm sitting down at my vanity and applying it. Even if I'm reapplying throughout the day, like, I'm doing good to mark my tallies just once per day. Things would just get way too confusing if I started tallying my reapplications. So for 9 days out of this past month, this was my lip product of choice. So I think that's actually pretty good for someone like me who has a lot of lip products, and I'm working on a lot of lip products. This has 8 mils in it, which is an obscene amount of lip gloss. My goal is to finish it. I'm just going to be happy to continue to get as much use out of it as I have been. Something that is overrated. I really thought I would have this done, and honestly it feels empty, but every time I use it there's still product coming out, so I'm not going to count it yet. This is the Morphe setting spray. I no longer purchase from Morphe, but this still receives so much hype, and I honestly just think it's too much. The thing that makes this special is the aerosol can. It's the mist, not necessarily the product inside. It works, it gives me a bit more of a glowy finish, but I'm really trying to not buy aerosol cans unless it's like necessary. I use quotations, but like hairspray, you kind of need an aerosol, that sort of thing. Setting spray, I don't really think that you do. A pump will work fine, and aerosol cans are really not good for the environment, and I'm just trying to take the smallest steps where I can, you know what I mean? So all that's to say is it's not done yet. I've only used this 7 times this month, and I honestly think that I have forgotten to mark tallies, because I could have sworn I was using this every time I was doing my makeup, but I could be wrong. But yeah, I shake it and I can't hear anything, but there's still product coming out. A product that I bought online is this Mother's Special Blend Skin Toning Oil. I bought this during my pregnancy with Wyatt, and then it's just been kind of sitting, so I figured during this pregnancy I should probably try and finish it off, as this is my last one, and when else am I going to use this product? This is my progress here. Not very good. I've only used this 4 times this month and 5 times the month previous to that, and it's not that I don't enjoy how this feels or applying it or anything like that. It's just as I predicted in my, was it my intro or my last update? I can't remember when I said this, but I live in Canada. It's cold. And when you step out of, even though my house is not cold, when you step out of a piping hot shower, I don't know about you, but I like my water to be basically burning the dirt off of my skin when I'm in the shower. When you step out of that hot, super hot shower into just the regular bathroom, it feels like Antarctica. Like, it feels so cold, and this is a really thick oil, and I have found that it does kind of stain, like with that, you know, if you spill greasy food on your shirt or something, you get an oil stain. This product will do that to my shirts or pajama tops or whatever. So I really have to like literally stand naked in the bathroom for an extended period of time for this to soak into my skin, which doesn't take like an obscene amount of time, but I just, in the winter in Canada, you jump out of the shower, dry off as quickly as possible, and then put on your pajamas. I'm not going to freeze to death for the sake of finishing up this product. The cover has now broke. Oh yeah, you can see that crack. That's like not where it opens. As you can see, like there's this big crack right here, and it's starting to, it doesn't smell bad, it just doesn't smell as good as it did when I first bought it. So because there's no preservatives or anything in here and it's made with all natural ingredients, I'm going to keep using it for the next 2 months. I'm going to use it for the remainder of my pregnancy. I am due in the middle of February, but I'm hoping to make it to the finale of this project, to be honest. And then I will probably toss this. That was a long-winded explanation. I'm so sorry. A product that I would only buy on sale. I only buy most of my makeup on sale, correction. I buy all of my makeup on sale. The only things I specifically don't wait for a sale on is if I really need a skincare product or something. But Sephora, I will wait for some kind of coupon, whether it's the VIB sale or the ones that they just email out. At the drugstore, you should never pay full price for a product at the drugstore. So I just picked something that I really felt I should be working on, and that would be the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. This is the ½ ounce. The sticker's gone. I believe this is ½ ounce, which when you work it out is actually cheaper to buy the ½ ounce than it is to buy the full ounce, in Canadian dollars at least. I don't know what it is like on the US Sephora website, but I've been working on this. I did not make a new mark because I forgot to, but I think I made about 1 centimeter of progress. So I think we are where my finger is, and then this black line right here is where we were last month. Before that I couldn't make a line, so slowly but surely I am working my way through this. I used this 8 times this month. A product that I will always repurchase. This is the Balm Mary Luminizer. I received this really small sample in an Ipsy, and I had always wanted to try it, but the balm isn't like that easy to just buy. Like, you can't throw it in your cart in Sephora, it's not at the drugstore, that sort of thing. So I just never got around to it. After trying this, like, this product is so great for a reason. People love it for a reason. Same with the NYX Butter Gloss. I feel like these are OG favorites, and when I use up this whole sample, I will be buying the full size. So that's why I put it in this category. I would do a close-up, but honestly it doesn't look different. It looks exactly the same as it has been. And I used this 9 times in the past month and 5 before that. So a total of 14 times in this project. That is not enough uses to pan a highlight. And lastly, I had the category an old favorite, and this is actually in the Roulette Pan Collab last round. This is the Balm Meet Matte Hues in the shade Committed. This is a liquid lipstick. It's what I'm wearing today. I have the gloss on top. I fell in love with this formula in the last round of this project. I was hoping to finish it off then, as this is only 1.2 mils or 0.04 fluid ounces. So there is not a lot of product in here, and I wasn't able to finish it. So that's my goal for this project, this round of this project. I thought by now I would be able to take the stopper out, but yesterday or the day before, I really like scraped around the bottle like this, hoping not to break the wand off. And that seems to have worked, because now I get, you can't see from this distance, quite a bit of product on the wand. But when I can see through the bottom of this product now, and I can definitely see a lot of windows along the side. So hopefully sometime before the next update I will have to have pulled the stopper out of this, and then I think it's going to dry up pretty fast. So unfortunately I don't have any empty products to roll out or goals met for this update, which I was pretty bummed about, because I thought this was going to be a for sure empty, and my goal is always to be rolling in at least one new product with each update, but that's not how the cookie crumbled this time, and I'm not really hopeful about any of them except for this. I think this will be gone for the next update. Like, it literally doesn't shake at all anymore, and I want the stopper to be out of this by the next update as well. And hopefully I can finish this lippy by the end of this project as a whole, but I will just aim to roll in at least one new product in the next update. So that's everything for today's update. Again, bummer I didn't get to roll anything in, but there's always next month, so check back in then. That will be on December 23rd. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know. Leave me a comment down below on whether you're doing this project or not. I'd love to chat with you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!